Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This simple and short video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant error code VAL5 whenever you are in the match or in a queue. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, over to your Riot client, right click and choose the option properties. Click on the compatibility tab and make sure you check mark this particular option. Run this program as an administrator. Once it is done, hit apply and OK button. Now nextly is head over to your settings menu, click on the option Windows Update. Over here, scroll down and click on the option Update History. From here, scroll down again and click on the option Uninstall Updates. From here, you will find the security updates installed itself by the Microsoft. From here, you need to uninstall the update with the name KB5028851 and KB5029263. Both the updates seems to be conflicting with the Riot client, which in turn give you the Valorant error code VAL5 whenever you are in a queue or in the lobby while playing the match. So just go ahead, once you find the update, click on the option uninstall to completely uninstall both the updates to fix out the issue. Now if this method failed to work out, I have created a detailed video. I'll share the link of this video in the description of this video so that you can easily go ahead, watch this particular video which completely resolved the issue of Valorant error code VAL5. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.